Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to Settings. After that, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this page, you'll enter to Google Drive. Then this list of app info, we click on First Stop and we click OK. After that, we'll enter to Storage. Here we click Clear Cache. And in the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.